Welcome back to the vlog. For those of you who have an idea of what I'm doing, I'm preparing Paige's breakfast. It's going to be oats with bananas and apples. The reason why I opt for bananas and apples, just to make her oats a little sweeter. Paige does not like anything that tastes bland. She likes a lot of flavor in her food. Incorporating the oats with the bananas and the apple gives her oats a sweet taste. Just a little bit of cinnamon, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna try it first. It tastes good. Sometimes if she doesn't eat the rest, I'll eat it for myself. Huh? You wanna try your oats? Yeah. You want it? She about to snatch it out. You want this boo? Come on, boo. No. Good job. Making a mess. All right. So lately, Paige has been learning how to speak. We've been teaching Paige how to speak, how to enunciate, and we've been using this program, parent chat videos, ideas and solutions for struggling parents. We've noticed that Paige has been trying to enunciate consonants. Talk to me. What's that? What are you whispering? From teaching her the tips that I learned from, I'm gonna sit her on the floor. Come on. Yeah, from teaching Paige tips that I've learned from the parenting program. I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you or someone that you may know may find this program valuable to help your loved ones or your nieces, your nephews, your daughters, your sons learn how to speak early. Again, the links to the program is going to be in the description below. I thank you so much for watching this video. Well, Paige and I thank you for watching the video, and continue to tune in and learn more about her progression and our progression together.
GICC and Gateway Center Hotel.
So we just went through security checkpoint, but in this case, Ralph got his ID at the gym, so it was a little bit complicated. But for the most part, what they do is they tell you to hold your infant through the security checkpoint. They separate. If you have a stroller like mine, look at her. If your stroller is anything like mine, where the car seat separates from the stroller, they tell you to remove your car seat. You hold your infant, then the car seat and the stroller goes through a separate area. There was no extra fee for that. On the plane, Paige is going to wear these earmuffs for her ears. We got these from Amazon. They were like $20. Okay, here. She wants to play with it. She has a little toy, to be on a plane. And the cool thing about it is if you're traveling with an infant, you're able to bring water with you. And we have snacks for the plane as well. So right now it's pretty simple. We're at the Hartsfield Atlanta Airport, and we're just waiting for our flight right now because it's delayed about like almost 2 hours. So we're just chilling.
next flight. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened. Even while seated, in case we have unexpected turbulence. Please also keep the aisle and the galley areas clear, and please use the restroom located in your cabin. And remember, the bags may move around, so be careful when opening the overhead.
Now it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We finally arrived back home after that delayed flight. And Paige is up. She's up. Everything went smoothly, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Berries. Yay! Yay! Paige. Yay! What? What does that mean, Paige? Huh? What? Talk to me. What did I do? You hungry? Are you hungry? Da da da. Are you hungry? Da da da. What's going on, Paige? Cha cha cha. Are you hungry? Ba ba ba. Are you hungry? Cha cha cha. You want berries? Would you like some berries? Let's say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I got you. I got you.